Imagine a space that breathes tranquility, where light dances with shadows, and every detail whispers of quiet luxury. A haven from the relentless demands of the outside world. This isn't just a living room, it's an experience waiting to unfold. For generations, homes have been more than brick and mortar, they are vessels for memories, sanctuaries for the soul. But somewhere along the way, we forgot how profoundly a space can shape our well-being. The modern world demands efficiency, but what if your home could offer something more? A refuge built not just for living, but for truly feeling alive. Picture this: sunlight streams through floor-to-ceiling windows, illuminating textures that beg to be touched, the cool smoothness of marble, the warmth of aged wood, a plush velvet inviting you to sink in and simply be. It's about creating a dialogue between light and shadow, between solidity and airiness. A space where understated elegance speaks volumes without uttering a single word. There's an undeniable power in simplicity. Imagine the effortless flow of a room that feels both grand and intimate, a place where conversation sparks organically, laughter echoes freely, and connection deepens naturally. It's not about showcasing extravagance, it's about cultivating moments, quiet evenings with loved ones, shared stories by the firelight, the simple joy of being present. More than just design choices, these are intentional acts of creation, a commitment to crafting a space that nurtures your spirit and reflects the beauty within you. Because ultimately, a home isn't just where we live, it's who we become.